Hello and welcome to Day with Mr. G 2.0. What are we doing here today, Gary?
We're fucking up your Skoda.
We are underneath the Skoda Felicia with all the smiley faces. And basically we are creating a side exit exhaust. We've got rid of all the midsection, it comes all the way down here and it just comes straight out the side. This will add at least 200 horsepower, you say?
I'm going for 700.
700, wow. So what we going on? This is the old one. This is tragic. I mean, look at that thing. Nobody wants that. That's the mid box. I mean, who wants that? I mean, look at that. Nobody wants that on their car. That is just tragic. What we do want is that fatty end tip and just straight pipe, which is there next to me.
So obviously I've drawn it on the floor, look.
We use measurements here.
So I can put the sections together. Fall onto the vehicle and work perfectly first time, which you fucking want.
I mean, what's the time now? I mean, it's 5 to 3, so probably going to be at least here to about 10 past. That's how much effort we're putting into this. Oh, okay, maybe after.
Crazy shit.
Crazy shit.
Wow. What a sorry heap of shit this vehicle is, but it's Louis. And if you look underneath, it's actually quite bloody clean. Lovely and clean. Alright, it's coming back now.
Not very good at this.
Too close.
Whilst Gary has been creating the exhaustable exhaust, I've just dropped the oil and filter. But this is the final product. Just look at that fat drop pipe at the end of it. Are you pleased with your work, Gary?
I'm always pleased with my work. I won't be fucking doing it else.
I mean, just look at that shit. Made from bits we found. From the floor to your door. I don't know what... Oh.